Just finished nearly reloading version 10 again 2 hours later. Just wait for this to run now, just to show you that the system actually works with V10 OK, and it has been doing for the last couple of years. Okay. We'll put this V10. Right, if you go to destination now and say from last destinations, yeah, all working. Perfect.
The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
There you go, all working. So now I'm going to load the other one, the one you sent me, to show you that what happens. Okay, so hang fire. Version 11, disk 1A. Right, here we go. Right, it's asking me carry out update, and you can see there's the current one, 2011-02, and the other one is 21201B. So I say OK. When it comes to here, then you get the 0%, and you wait a while. If this works now, brilliant, but it gave a message last time saying it's not possible. Doesn't look like it's working. There you go. That's what it says. So I'm afraid it doesn't work. Now if I say OK to this, as you can see, it'll eject the media. Yeah. And then it's stuck on our message. So if I say OK, now the sat nav don't work. So now I have to waste another 2 hours odd to reload version 10 before it's going to work, because it's corrupted the system. Your DVD, when you put it in, it corrupts the system, so it doesn't work. So I think I'm entitled now to have my money back on all of them. I want to send them all back to you. Version 11, 12, and the version 13. Okay? Thanks. Bye.